Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Come, let me share with you how to make the most delicious green plantain pottage in less than 20 minutes. Here I have some unripe plantain or green plantain. I'll go ahead and wash the plantains first. After washing the plantains, the next thing I did was to peel them. After peeling, we'll now go ahead and slice or cut them into smaller cubes, just as I'm doing. A dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through, rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. I'm done cutting out the whole plantains I'll be using, so let's start cooking. Kitchen where joy is found. In a dry pot, add about a cooking spoon of palm oil or red oil as you call it. Allow it to heat up for a minute, then go in with your chopped onions and the tomatoes. Stir and fry for about 2 minutes. Steam rising like a piano side, golden crust, soft notes fly. Add about a teaspoon of salt or according to your own taste. Seasoning cubes and the pepper and crayfish. Here I have pounded pepper and the crayfish. I'll add all that and stir very well into the oil. Spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found. Next, I'll go in with some grilled fish. I have grilled Titus fish here. Use any protein of your choice, or you can also skip that. Crayfish is enough for this dish, in fact. But if you have anything, chicken, meat, beef, whatever, you add it to yours. Then pour in the cut or sliced plantains. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. I have frozen meat stock in my fridge, so I added that. You can skip that if you don't have any stock. Then go in with enough water to cover the plantain. Stir very well, cover your pot and allow this to do its thing. Allow it to cook. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. After about 15 minutes, here we have it. Our plantain is well cooked. I'll just stir it and then we go in with the vegetables. Add any vegetable of your choice. I'm using ugu, so I'll add ugu to my own. You can use green, you can use any leaf of your choice. But before that, I have some shredded Titus fish, so I'm also adding that. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon, gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.
whispering flavors floating in the air. Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound. Treasure kitchen where joy is found.
After stirring in the vegetable very well, I tested for salt and the pepper, and everything was good. So cover and allow it just for a minute, and then our plantain pottage or porridge is ready. And this was so yummy. All that is left to do is to serve this and then enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please don't forget to click the like button and also share the video. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.
Gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony. Kitchen tune so heavenly.